Good morning, students. Let us continue with our topic, the junk seller. Students, you already know that this is a true story of a junk seller, Kiran, who has a junk shop in Patna. We studied that Kiran has bought some junk from the junk collectors. You were asked to tell the total money she paid. Now Kiran bought 1 kg plastic for rupees 10 but sold 1 kg plastic for rupees 12. How much money did she earn on selling 1 kg plastic? Yes, tell me. So let us find out. Kiran bought 1 kg plastic for rupees 10 but sold 1 kg plastic for rupees 12. How much money does she earn on selling 1 kg plastic? So we can find out by subtracting the money she paid and the money she sold. So she earned rupees 2 from 1 kg of plastic. By selling 1 kg of plastic she earned rupees 2. So this is the profit. इसको हम प्रॉफिट बोलते हैं बेटा, जब कोई चीज़ बहुत कम दाम में खरीदी जाती है और उसको ज़्यादा दाम में बेचा जाता है तो हमें प्रॉफिट होता है, मुनाफा जिसको आप बोलते हो. सो हाउ मच मनी डज शी अर्न फॉर 63? अगर 1 kg प्लास्टिक उसको रुपीज़ 2 मिल रहे हैं तो 63 पे हम काउंट कर सकते हैं बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग 2 विथ 63. सो द आंसर इज 126. सो शी अर्न्स 126 by selling 63 kg plastic. So part B of this is Kiran sells 32 kg iron. How much money will Dinu pay for 32 kg iron? Kiran buy 1 kg iron for rupees 12 but she sells it for rupees 14. So obviously उसने per kg rupees 2 earn किए हैं. So how much she will earn if she sell 32 kg? Yes, count. So the answer is the amount by which 1 kg of iron is sold rupees 14. Hence the cost of 32 kg of iron will be rupees 14 multiplied by 32. The answer is 448. See, this is the expanded way of multiplication, and we have calculated as we already have done this type of multiplication. Kiran buys 1 kg iron for rupees 12 but sells it for rupees 14. Just already I told you that she earned the profit of rupees 2 by selling 1 kg of iron, because उसने जब खरीदा था तब उसने 12 रुपीज़ का लिया था और जब बेचा तो वो 14 रुपीज़ थे. तो बेचना का दाम ज़्यादा हो तो प्रॉफिट होता है. So she got profit of rupees 2 for 1 kg of iron. So we have to tell how much she earned by selling 32 kg of iron. Same way we will multiply 2 by 32. The answer is rupees 64. So Kiran, by selling 32 kg of iron, she earns rupees 64. So part C, what will Dinu pay for rupees 152 kg newspaper? As we know, the rate of 1 kg newspaper is rupees 6. So the cost of 152 kg newspaper is 6 multiplied by 152. See the way I have multiplied. 100 plus 50 plus 2 is 152. And we have multiplied it by 6. So 6 into 100, 600, then 50 into 6, 300, then 6 into 2 is 12. So we will add now. So by adding all these numbers, we get 912. So for 152 kg newspaper, he will give rupees 912 to Kiran. Next is, what does Dinu pay for brass? How much money will Dinu pay for rupees 4 kg brass? So this is rupees 680. Why? Because 1 kg brass means she is getting rupees 170, and the cost of 4 kg brass will be rupees 170 multiplied by 4. The answer is 680. Now this is question for you. First guess the answer and then calculate. आपने पहले इसको गैस करना है, फिर कैलकुलेट करना है बेटा. इन सब की कैलकुलेशन वैसे ही करनी है जैसे हमने आपको एक्सपेंडेड वे में बताया है. यू कैन यूज दैट मेथड ऑल्सो. There is one more question for you. Kiran bought some junk from the junk collectors. She paid them rupees 841. She sold the junk at Dinu's big shop and Dinu gave her these notes and coins. So आपने ये notes and coins देख रहे हो बेटा, इन सबको आपने देखना है और फिर इनको कैलकुलेट करना है अमाउंट को. So this was all from this lesson. Thank you. Stay safe and do all the assignments which we are giving you.